Welcome to Too Easy to Learn. Hi everyone. Angle properties of circles. Now today in this lesson we are going to discuss the second properties of angle properties of circle, which is angles in same segment. We will also discuss few exam questions in this lesson. Let's start our lesson. My dear students, you can observe a circle with center O and a there is a chord AB which is making angle at the circumference of the circle on point C. So this is green line which is called AB and it is making angle at the circumference of the circle at point C. The same chord AB is also making angle on the circumference of the circle at point D. The both angles are made on the circumference of the circle by the same chord AB. How come you know that this is formed by the same chord? For example, if you trace back angle C, I am tracing back angle C, this line, and it is touching at point A, and the other line is joining at point B, and this is the chord AB. So move these 2 points forward. If I move forward point A on the blue line and the point B on the blue line, it is making angle D on the circumference of the circle, and the both angle will be same. If the same chord is making a different point of the circumference of the same circle, then the both angles are equal and we call angles in same segment. I'm going to show you one more figure of the same property. Now chord AB is making angle at point C. It is the theta degree. Now same chord AB emerging from point A and B, same angle. So chord AB making angle at point D. So this will also be theta degree. Why both angles are equal? Because angle D and angle C are formed by the same chord line AB. That's why the both angles are equal. Let's solve few exam questions and apply this property. Question number 1. Find the value of angle C. This is the angle C and it is on the circumference of the circle. This angle is, if you trace back this angle, so these are the 2 points and this green line is called the chord of this angle. And if we move forward this chord, we will observe that this chord is also making angle of 40 degree and it is also on the circumference of the circle. So both angles are on the circumference of the circle, marked by, formed by the same chord, this green chord. That's why both angles are equal and angle C is 40 degree. So the property name is angles in same segment. In the part 2, find the value of angle BAC. Let's see where is this angle BAC. This is the angle, this is the point B and this is the point A and this is the point C. So this pink angle is the angle BAC which we have to find. We have to find the value of this angle. Now trace back this angle A. From point A, move along this line, it is at point C, and the other line of this angle which is meeting at point D. So this is the chord BC. This chord BC making this angle A. Now move forward this point B and C on the other point of the circumference. If I move point C, it is meeting at point D and the point B also joining point D, and it is making BC CDB is 23 degree. The both angle 23 and this pink angle is formed by the same chord BC. That's why the both angle are equal. So angle BAC is equal to 23 degree because angles in same segment, both angles are formed by the same chord BC. Now it's a learning by heart time. You have to memorize both properties. The most important thing is to identify the angle properties of circle. There are different type of properties and you have to identify those properties. The home task: find the value of angle AEC. First you need to mark this angle, then identify which chord is making this angle, and then move forward that chord and observe which angle is formed by the same chord, and then hope you will get the right answer. Write your answer in comment box. I will check and respond it. If you need to understand more topics, let me know in your comment box. I will make new video for you. If you want to get full course, visit our website toeasytolearn.com. Join it and you will get many free video lesson on this website. Bye bye. See you in next lesson.